Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to help you learn how to block a number or a contact on an Android phone. Keep watching the video till the end without skipping, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. If you really want to get rid of those annoying colors, you can simply go ahead and grab your Android phone and block the contact you don't want to hear from anymore. The first thing to do is open your contact from your phone, select any contact that you want to block, and once you enter their profile, go to the upper right corner of the screen and tap on the three dots. You'll be able to see Block Contact option from the expanded menu. Simply tap on Block Contact, and from the pop-up, select Block. If you do this, then you will no longer receive any calls or messages from this contact. That way, you'll be able to get rid of the contact you don't want to connect with anymore on your Android device. Since I am using my Samsung Android, your phone might have slightly different settings, but don't worry. Every Android or your iOS smartphone has these options when you can block someone you don't want to connect with. That is how you can easily block a contact on your Android device. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.